Welcome to the Traders Market Intelligence Report brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com. This update is for Tuesday, February 18th. Yes, not Monday. Markets closed Tuesday, the 18th of 2025. As we get started, keep in mind everything we look at is for education. Nothing's meant to be advice or recommendations. If you find something you like, anything, make sure it fits your own personal risk profile and risk tolerance. So I'm doing this report. There's probably about 15, 17 minutes left in the market. On Friday, where are we today? The 14th, of course. It's Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day. If you happen to be looking over my shoulder and you see that little box back over there, that was my Valentine's gift. It is a pizza baking steel for the oven. So I got rid of the old ceramic thing that we had, which worked great for years, but it is so much nicer. Anyway, with that, let's jump in. So I want to start off first with our economic reports. For next week, we've got nothing to worry about on Monday. Markets close. Waller speaking at 6 o'clock. Who cares? On Tuesday, we've got Trump speaking, tentative. We don't know what time. It's always an exciting ride when he's speaking right now. You never know what's happening, what's changing, where are the tariffs coming from, or what's he doing. FOMC minutes on the 19th at 2 p.m. So you'll have light volume during the day for that. Unemployment at 8:30 on the 20th. Philly Fed I'm not too worried about. 12 o'clock crude oil inventory. I don't care. Normally it's a Wednesday at 10:30 because Monday's a holiday. They push it to Thursday. Friday we've got PMI, flash manufacturing and flash services, both PMI at 8:30 a.m. No, it's actually 9:45. And then home sales on Friday at 10 a.m. I'm not too concerned with those. All right. So let's go ahead and take a look at the stock market and see what's going on. All right, so we're looking at the S&P 500 today, and what did it do? How close did it get? Did we get up to the all-time high? Not quite. At least not with 15 minutes left, we haven't. But right now, we're sitting at a high today, so far, to this point, of 61.27.44. We had 61.28.18, which was this line right here. But hey, guys, we are in all-time high territory. You got to be excited. You cannot be bothered by what today looks like. It's a Friday after massive gains 2 days in a row, but it's been a great week overall, right? Yeah, you gapped down on Wednesday, but then ran right back up, recovered almost all of it. And yesterday was just amazing, right? What a great move at 68 points or something yesterday. So right now we're in a bullish bias with a rank of 1 on the S&P 500. Where am I looking at for my downside? You might have some tentative support at that 6101, but I'm not really too excited about it. We're going to look at the 8 moving average, which as of now is 60.77. But if it takes a couple of days to get down there, that 8 will lay over that 60.60 level and give us an absolutely great confluence. On the upside, we still have to be cognizant of that 61.28.18. I'd love to see us get through it today. If we just break through by a penny, it's got to break through. Can't match it. It's got to break through. We chipped away at the ice a little bit, and the bulls have said, okay, if you want to run next couple of days or so, go. We already started it for you. Right? It's almost as if permission has been granted when that happens, right? From there, if we break above that 61.28 level, we're looking at 61.72 half, and we've got the 100 percentile up there, which is a second stacking of the S&P 500, and it's taking the full move we made on the S&P from the pullback and taking this full move from the pullback and stacking it from there and giving us a new all-time high. In this case, it's at 61.72. So I am stoked about the opportunities. We're down again on the VIX today. How bad can it be, right? You're down on the VIX. Guys, take advantage of these types of moves. You're going to have low options costs right now. Go ahead and do an analysis of what your options are trading at as far as Monday through Friday. I do mine at 9:40 a.m. I use TOS. I go into a look back mode and I pause the video at the time movement at 9:40 a.m. so nothing ticks by. And I look at Monday through Friday of Apple, Amazon, whomever my stocks are. I look at all the stocks in pop. You're looking at them right here, right? I go and analyze every one of those stocks and determine how much each day the options cost on average. Now, I realize there are going to be days that are higher and lower, right? But this will tell you that on certain days, maybe you can't trade Adobe on a Monday and a Tuesday. Maybe it's too expensive. Wednesday, maybe you can do 1 contract. Thursday or Friday, maybe you can do 2, right? Booking may be too expensive every day. Maybe Friday is okay for you. Right? You'll determine that, but you do that by looking at the options pricing, right? Remember, Monday's a holiday, so have a great week, folks. If you are on our website, go over to Monster Market Movers, right, which is going to be in the members area. It's $29 for the very first month. It's a $199 program monthly. It's $29 for your first one. You will not be disappointed at all. And I will say this exactly as I did on Monday at our Power Hour. If you sign up for the $29 for Monster Market Movers and you decide that it was not worth your $29, I'll give it back to you. You can keep the class for the rest of the month and all the prerequisite materials and everything else that are in there. So go ahead and check it out. With that, have a great rest of your day. Make it a profitable one. Stay focused on the quest to becoming a great trader. Keep crushing it. And remember, you're just one trade away. Take care, everybody. I will see you on our next update. Bye for now.